Module 1, The Importance of Business Meeting Etiquette. Learning objective. Define and outline the importance of business etiquette as it applies to HR professionals conducting meetings. Topics of discussion. First, define business etiquette. Second, define business meeting etiquette. Third, describe the importance of business meeting etiquette to HR professionals. And lastly, reasons why business meetings are essential within the workplace. What is business etiquette? Business etiquette can be defined as the acceptable and/or required behaviors of an individual in a professional setting. It is important to understand the meaning of business etiquette and how it is applied when facilitating meetings. The significance to understanding the do's and don'ts in a business setting is crucial for HR professionals to be successful in the workplace. Business etiquette is a set of socially acceptable standards of how to act and behave within a business scenario. What is business meeting etiquette? Business meeting etiquette is a set of manners and/or acceptable behaviors that an individual should follow when conducting a formal or informal meeting within a professional setting. Meetings are one of the most effective ways business professionals share and exchange information, plan, collaborate, receive feedback, and make very important decisions for an organization. It is important to understand business meeting etiquette because it can have a positive or negative influence on your career. As a presenter, a meeting can leave a lasting impression on the audience, so it is vital to deliver the material in a polite and socially acceptable way. The presenter should also be well prepared in order for the meeting to be effective. Reasons why business meetings may not be successful are lack of etiquette and no prior planning. It has been noted that professionals waste an average of 31 hours a month on unproductive meetings, which can be very costly for an organization. Why is business meeting etiquette important to HR? Well, etiquette within a business is an essential aspect of an organization's culture. Business meeting etiquette is important because it sets the standard of respectable behavior between business professionals. Business meeting etiquette can involve verbal and nonverbal communication in which all professionals should perform in a respectful manner. Business meetings are essential for HR professionals to increase productivity in the workplace. Effective business meetings inspire innovation and creativity among employees, which in turn will increase the overall effectiveness of the organization. It is important for HR professionals to be able to run effective business meetings to ensure alignment between an organization's corporate strategies and business objectives. Increasing alignment within an organization will increase performance and productivity. Human resource professionals should be able to run meetings in an effective manner to encourage employees to generate new ideas and develop problem-solving skills. Within a meeting, the leader of the team explains the overall goals and tasks of the employees that will contribute to an organization's bottom line. If the team leader delivers the material in a well-planned and efficient manner, employees are more motivated to increase their performance, which in turn will fulfill the organization's overall goals and save the organization time and money. Reasons why meetings are an essential tool to an organization's success are, first, meetings create an atmosphere where employees can resolve problems and issues. Second, effective meetings will allow employees to contribute to the topic being discussed, which will lead to better decision-making. Third, effective meetings demonstrate how important each employee is to helping organizations reach their overall goals. This creates motivation and appreciation between employees and leaders. And lastly, effective meetings can save an organization lots of time, money, and talent if meetings are performed properly, so that not so many meetings need to be had. Thank you for listening to Module 1. Please continue on to complete the quiz.